In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to time track on Monday.com using 7pace Timetracker. If you manage projects, work in a team, or bill clients based on hours, having accurate time tracking directly inside Monday.com can completely streamline your workflow. Instead of switching between tools, you can track everything right where your tasks already live. I'll walk you step by step through connecting 7pace to Monday.com and then show you how to track time on individual tasks, including both automatic timers and manual entries. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important setup details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. The first step is connecting 7pace Timetracker to your Monday.com account. Go ahead and open Monday.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or the menu icon, where you can access additional options. From there, select the Apps Marketplace. This is where you can browse and install integrations that extend the functionality of Monday.com. Inside the Apps Marketplace, use the search bar and type in 7pace Timetracker. You should see the official 7pace app appear in the results. Click on it to open the app page, where you'll see an overview of its features, permissions, and installation details. Review the information so you understand what access the app requires. Next, click the Install button. Monday.com will prompt you to choose where you want to install 7pace. You can select specific workspaces or boards depending on how your account is structured. If you only want time tracking enabled for certain teams or projects, choose those specific boards. If you want it available more broadly, select the appropriate workspace. After selecting your workspace or boards, you'll need to confirm the permissions. 7pace requires access to read tasks and log time entries within your boards. Carefully review the permissions, then confirm and complete the installation. Once installed, 7pace will be connected to your Monday.com environment and ready to use. Now that 7pace is connected, let's move on to tracking time on individual tasks. Navigate to any board where you enabled 7pace. Click on a task or item to open its item panel. This panel slides out and shows detailed information about that specific task. Inside the item panel, look for the 7pace widget. Depending on your board layout, it may appear as a dedicated section or integration panel. Once you locate it, you'll see options to start tracking time. If you're about to begin working on the task, simply click the Start Tracking button. The timer will begin running immediately, recording the time you spend on that task. This is perfect for focused work sessions because it captures time in real time without requiring manual calculations. When you finish working, click Stop Tracking. The time entry will automatically be saved and associated with that specific task. This ensures accurate reporting and keeps your tracked hours organized by item. If you prefer not to use a live timer, you can also log time manually. In the same 7pace widget, choose the Add Time option. Enter the duration you worked, such as 1 hour, 30 minutes, or any specific time value. This is especially useful if you forgot to start the timer earlier or if you're logging time after completing the work. You'll also see a field where you can add a short description of what you worked on. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended. Adding notes makes it much easier to review your time entries later, especially for reporting, invoicing, or performance tracking. For example, you might write something like design revisions, client meeting, or back-end bug fixes. These small details add a lot of clarity over time. As you continue tracking across multiple tasks, 7pace keeps all your time entries organized within Monday.com. This makes it easier to review total hours spent on a project, monitor team productivity, and ensure accurate billing if you charge clients based on tracked time. And that's it. You've now connected 7pace Timetracker to Monday.com and learned how to track time on individual tasks using both the live timer and manual entry options. With everything integrated directly into your boards, you can manage projects and track work hours without leaving Monday.com. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.